What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room. I'm back at you with another video. Listen, I got a fantastic video for you, but what I need you to do right now is hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I need you to come along with us on a journey. Check the description tab out. Tons of tools and tidbits and everything Traders War Room product and service related right there at your fingertips with hyperlinks that you click, go, learn, grow, and share together as a team. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it with me, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war. Right, welcome back. Let's get into it right now. First, the formalities, let's get them out the way. Want to give you the legal disclaimer. This is not financial advice. The content is for entertainment, education purposes only. You're responsible for every decision you make. Have fun, use caution, and always go to war. We want to highlight our website, traderswarroom.com, a true one-stop shop hub for everything product and service related that Traders War Room has to offer. Come check it out. I just added some new videos for upcoming classes, and I added a new video in the historical classes. You can purchase the upcoming classes right from the website and register online, and we'll see you there. And every verified purchase receives a copy of the recording, but you can also purchase historical classes right from the website, and you can watch it right here at traderswarroom.com 24/7. We want to highlight our flagship, the Traders War Room Discord, a true one-stop shop for all traders and investors. We got both free and paid services. We got the real-time buy and sell alerts. We got options, stocks, future, crypto, forex, live trading, Zoom classes. Listen, and if you haven't came over to Traders War Room recently, we've added a whole bunch of stuff, okay? I'm telling you guys will be amazed, and our community is second to none. Come check us out today. We've got one-on-one mentoring, guys. Listen, you cannot beat Traders War Room price for one-on-one mentoring. If you need a little one-on-one love, you need to refine a strategy, a skill, or you just got some questions you want answers to, come check us out. You can book your session right from our website. And we talked about the Zoom classes right there. I'm telling you, $15 for the content that we put out is second to none, guys. You're not going to find a better price out there with the quality and the value and worth of the content that we put out. Business hours, 7 to 7, Monday through Saturday. We still do things after hours, but that's the bulk of when processes were done. We have a 24-hour turnaround, and if you don't receive your product that you paid for within 24 hours, make sure you contact us because we're very responsive and we will make sure you get what you paid for. We want you to check the description tab out. This goes on YouTube. All the hyperlinks are right there to everything products and service related in Traders War Room, but also tons of tools and resources to make you a more successful trader. Now, I want to go over some exciting new additions to Traders War Room, and then we'll get into the main bulk of the video. We have the Traders War Room Artificial Intelligent Trading Signal Bot, a true machine learning terminator, guys, only on Traders War Room Discord. Listen, this is better than algorithm stuff. This is machine learning trade signal. We're going to go over it real quick because I want you guys to understand what we're talking about. So basically, look at this chart right here, okay? It's messy. It has a lot of cool stuff, and a lot of you people use all these type of indicators, and it just looks messy. I mean, you can't understand it. There's tons of stuff going on here, right? Well, we think it looks cluttered, right? But the machine bot thinks something else. It takes all this data, and the terminator, as we like to call it, takes those values, it calculates it through a historical process going back 2 years of trading and produces tickers that only meet certain criteria. And then it produces a clean alert generating a trade idea so that you can make money. And it looks like this, very clean interface right there. Gives you guys the signal. It tells you the price it got in. It tells you the percentage win rate that it's had over the past 2 years that it's done this trade. And we call this the terminator because the machine learning aspect of it means that the bot or the terminator wants to be 100%, which is impossible, but it will not stop trying to be 100%. Just like the picture shows, man, the terminator, and it will destroy the charts. And I want to highlight this because you're only going to find this service on Traders War Room Discord. And if anything else, you should at least come over there, check us out, and take a look at our trial period for the premium service and at least see what we got to offer. Now, some additional features, we got live trading bell to bell, okay, with professional traders. We got live on-demand trading. You need something specific right then and there. Oh my God, you just lost a bunch of money. You want to know how you do it, man. You're over there on the premium side of the house. You get your on-demand trading. We got the live question answer support, live pre-market analysis show, man. We got lady traders, Traders War Room lady traders. Desiree does a live pre-market analysis show Monday through Friday. We got the pro quant data flows giving you all those big whale option flows. Follow the big money. And we got the professional one that gives you great data. And we got pro trending stock indicators, man. Trigger point, watch list, daily, weekly, technical analysis things. I'm telling you guys, we're coming out swinging and we're excited to provide this for you. A true one-stop shop for all traders and investors. And I want you guys to come check us out because we're super excited. Now, enough of that crap. Let's get into the buzz report, guys. Let's talk about what's hot and what's not in the stock market. So here's how your stock market closed. All right, green across the board. Definitely a good day in the marketplace, and we were happy to see a bull market, man. We've had a couple good days of trading, and we're hoping that we go into Friday with the same momentum so we can catch some of these bangers. This is what your overall picture of the stock market looked like. On the left, you see the total premium calls versus puts. That's where the big money's coming in. On the right, you see your indexes or your sectors and how they closed out. Energy was a big winner today with utilities coming in last place, but green overall. On the left, you got your futures. We're looking a little red on futures, but remember, guys, futures is just what could be, not what will be, all right? So we use it as a plan and strategy to move forward. And on the right, you got your top trending stocks, okay? You got GameStop coming around the news again. You got some stocks that we haven't seen for a while starting to trend, and we're going to go over a couple of these with some charts here in a moment. AVPT, you got ZNGA, you got Damo, Dibs, a couple of these tickers you haven't seen for a while, but they're starting to come back around. Now, let's look into some charts, okay, because this is really what you guys want right here. So SPY, talking about SPY, okay, we got some important levels down there at the 417 level, right? That's pretty much the bottom, and we are on the higher half of the 50% from our next point where we're looking at strong resistance, okay? 457 is a goal, and I don't know if we're going to make it there. We've been bouncing around and stuff like that, but 441 is pretty good for the SPY. We thought we were going to be down in the 420s for a while, and we definitely closed pretty strong. Now, we do have a cross on the MACD. We got some RSI flowing up, and we got money flow kind of stagnant on the daily, all right? Looks as though that the TTM squeeze is kind of cooling off a little bit, and we do have some volume. So we're hoping for a big push at the morning bell, but expect kind of a pullback because what goes up must come down, and we are at an important resistance point here at this 441 level. Next, we're going to talk about Apple, man. We're bullish on Apple. Apple's been beat up. As you can see, Apple does not like that lower level, that 151 era. That 151 era, Apple does not like it. Now we're tracking on the right direction. My next target for Apple is 167. I think we can make that, okay? Maybe not on Friday or tomorrow, but I do think we make that and we test that area here soon. So if you're looking to go something out a little bit longer than a lotto, I'd be looking out next week, maybe even 2 weeks on some Apple contracts, you know, getting it pretty close, you know, maybe a 165, a 167.5 if they have it. 170 may be a little risky because it may not have enough juice to push up there just quite yet. But 175 is my big target. I do think we see that going into April, and I think we start to push onto the upside. FDX, okay, listen, we had a good level. So we did kind of a different type of strangle. It's like a modified strangle, if you will. We put an out of the money call as a lotto at the 250, and we did a out of the money put at the 200 level. And right now we closed in the downside. This is the daily chart, but on the downside, we closed on the downside, but didn't move much after the earnings. So it'll be interesting to see what we got to bell, but there's a lot of money flow that came in closing out this market, okay, and we're definitely interested in this. We got money flow pointing up. RSI has room to go. We crossed on the MACD, and we're looking like we're on an uptick curl going up, and the volume's coming in. So I am interested to see what FDX does at the bell. But either way, we're either going to make money on the ride up, or we're going to make money on the ride down, and we're going to come out of this squeaky clean to the green side. AVPT. I put this on here because I want you guys to understand this is low, okay? And we got that bottom at 496 level, right? Now, that's a level that we're seeing some good support. And right there at that 634 level, that is our high point resistance point. Now we are trending up. We do have signs of reversal right there. You see the 3 soldiers, and we also got money flow coming up. We got a Corona RSI. This is all systems go if you go off the indicators for a little bit of a jump. So we're definitely paying attention to this. I don't think it has enough juice to really dramatically push up past that 634, but it could definitely start tracking on that upside. Definitely worth keeping an attention on so that we can try to make some money on this trade. Bank of America, we're liking what we're seeing with the financial sector. We did think we were going to have a little bit of pullback before the run, but you know what? If we can't hold this level where we're at, I still think that we do pull back and come back a little bit. I do like Bank of America long term. I think before you know it, we're going to be pushing back into the 50 area on Bank of America. Same thing with Wells Fargo. I think we'll be pushing back up there, $55, $60 area on Wells Fargo as well. But I do think we got a little bit of short downward pressure. I know we got to cross on the MACD. I know the RSI has room to grow, but the money flow is kind of staying stagnant, or the volume starting to fall off as we come closing out the week. So I do think we got some downward pressure, but ultimately going out long term, I am bullish on the financial sectors. XOM. So XOM cooled off a little bit along with the other energy sectors. And, you know, we had the high, man. We knew this was going to pop up, and we can see it. It's popping up above that 90. Now, we did come down about a 2-leg strategy, right? We came down, consolidated, came down again, and now we're looking like we're almost wanting to reverse. Okay, money flow is a little flat right now, but we got an RSI curling up, which means we're at the bottom, and we got a cross on our MACD, okay, starting to curl up. I do like XOM moving forward. It's one of my preferred energy stocks. I think we got some room to grow. I think it doesn't like this level down here unless something crazy comes out where the supply and demand of oil isn't as stringent as we anticipate it to be. I think we'll be all right with XOM. I'm looking for some lottos to close out Friday, and I'm also looking for some longer terms going out a week, maybe 2 weeks on some XOM calls. Starbucks, okay? Starbucks, we're bearish on Starbucks, okay? We think we're going to go back down there and test that $80 level. Now, it definitely tried to rally, but it wasn't able to really hold up the levels, the higher levels, very good today. So definitely paying attention to this. We made money on our put earlier. We went ahead and we're looking at another put again. We'll see what it does on Friday, but we're definitely looking for a big rush at the bell, and then we want to catch the downward fall. I think this comes down, and I think Starbucks has a lot of overhead problems with their corporation that's going to cause some issues. Now, I'm going to talk about the upcoming classes, and you can purchase these on the website, only $15, guys. Invest in yourself in 2022, and we got some great classes coming up. First class I want to talk about is the art of the trade, okay? It is an art of war take on trading, strategies before and during your trade to stay consistent and win. We got our 7-figure mentor back with us. He's going to teach you guys the strategies and the techniques that he has used for years that have made him a multi-million-dollar investor. And he's going to talk about what to look for before you press the buy button, and when you decide to get into the trade, how to manage your trades so that you're always consistently winning. And we got that class on Sunday, 20 March at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you can't make the live showing, don't worry about it. Register your name so that you're on an automated distribution list, and we'll make sure you get your copy within 24 hours. Next class, this is a big one, and I think we're going to have a lot of people wanting to do this class because I get questions on this all the time, but we finally did it. You guys asked for it. We're giving it to you. Traders War Room is going to teach you guys how to read candlestick charts. We want you to light your way to financial freedom by trading candlestick charts. Now, everyone knows what the candlestick charts are, but do you truly know how to read them and how to read the price action and how to look for the candlestick patterns that can give you the bullish sentiments? And I bet a lot of you may not understand. You guys have your indicators locked down, but the candlesticks is the next thing on your chapter for becoming a true total investor. And this class is going to be freaking great, and I hope to see you guys there at $15. You cannot beat the price. Sunday, 27 March at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. It's on the website. Register today, and I'll see you there. Website's right there, traderswarroom.com. Check the toggle buttons. You can find all of our products and services. Don't forget to check us out on Discord, truly the one-stop shop on the Discord platform, and we got something for everybody over there. And with that, that's the video, guys. I want to thank you guys for coming along with us in our journey. I want to thank you guys for the loyalty and support. I want to thank you guys for being true investors. down to grow, learn, and share together. Remember, at Trader's War Room, we look at the stock market like a war zone. Stocks and sectors are our battles. We do it together as a team. Attack, conquer, and destroy, and we're always going to war. Now, if that's something you can get down with, then all I got to say to you is follow me. Let's go to war together.